God constant. Have you ever heard about it? God constant. So let us see what is all about. It is a quantity found to be constant when measured in various places in our lives, in the multiverse, in numerous ways and times. For instance, consider the series of algorithms starting from the null quantity 0 and the next subsequent integer. The first one, like I said, it's the 0. The next number would be 1, and the next step in the algorithm is 0 plus 1. Subsequently, 1 plus 0 plus 1. Similarly, next the number would be 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1. The next is 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1. And it goes on and on and on. You might be wondering what is all about. This is a series of numbers increasing sequentially, where each subsequent number is the addition of the previous two consecutive numbers. This gives rise to a series 0. As we can see, 0's value is 0. The next step 1. 1's value is 1. And step number 3, we have 0 plus 1 whose value is 1 again. And step 4 which is going to be 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is 2. And similarly, the next number is 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, and so on and so forth. Does this strike any spark? This series is popularly known as Fibonacci series of numbers. Now let us consider the sequence of ratios formed with numerator as the sum of the numerator and denominator of the previous ratio, and the denominator as the numerator of the previous ratio. So likewise, if we see here, if we consider the first number 1, excluding 0, we have the numerator as 1 divided by 1, where the numerator 1 is the answer of 0 plus 1, and the denominator 1 is the one itself of the previous number in the series. Likewise, the second ratio in the series is 2, which is the next number to the integer 1, and the denominator is 1, which is the previous number to the number 2, 1, which is 1. Similarly, we have 3 by 2, 5 by 3, the next number would be 8 by 5, and 13 by 8, and so on and so forth. If operated, we get a series again. So each and every ratio, if we simplify the ratio, we get these values. It is 1, 2, 1.5. I can explain this. 1 by 1, the first number 1 by 1, in the ratio 1 by 1 is 1. The second ratio 2 by 1 is equal to 2. The third ratio 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. The fourth ratio 5 by 3 is equal to 1.666667. The fifth ratio 8 by 5 is equal to 1.6. So forth and so on. We get a series like this 1.625, 1.615, and up until 1.617978. Here, if we see the last three numbers populated, so we can see that it all reduces and becomes a constant, so on and so forth. A constant whose value is 1.618. So this series tends to a constant at 1.618. So what is the name of this constant? I think everybody knows it. This constant is popularly known as phi, denoted with the symbol phi. It is spelled phi, phi. It may be noted that the ratio values vary drastically at the beginning of the series of the ratios, with smaller numbers when compared with the latter bigger number ratios at the end of the given series. Suppose we have a rectangle with the length longer side with measurement of 2 units and the breadth shorter side with a measurement of 1 unit. As we see it in this figure, the longer side is denoted by x and the shorter side denoted by y. So the longer side we have given 3 units and for the shorter side we have given 2 units. If we cut out a square from the rectangle shown in the figure, we get again a rectangle, one more rectangle, where x plus y divided by x is equal to x by y is equal to phi, the constant. Similarly, continuing in the same manner, we get the subsequent rectangles and squares. Drawing diagonals across each and every shape, if we draw diagonals across these rectangles shown in the figure, we get a vector giving rise to a spiral figure. This geometrical figure can be found across the objects, whether living or non-living, in the cosmic multiverse. For instance, these quantities are found within the arrangement of the petals of a flower, galactical arrangement of stars or planets, arrangements of particles in a substance, or in any of the things that exist for that matter. This spiral sequence is all about growing or increasing quantities in a specific way, giving rise to a pattern of symmetry and balance in almost anything solid. In the earthly realm, this series of quantities are used in the fields of architecture, in building constructions, paintings, and artwork since time immemorial. This concept is now known to us, which opens up opportunities for us to discover more about it in order to apply it in different fields: real estate construction, photography, videography, cosmetology, market analytics, population growth pattern, and the like, wherever there is a symmetrical balance.